This is another view of the Johnny Appleseed Festival. I have to be really quiet because we're in the Leominster Public Library. There's the slide. Oh, they got the other moonwalks up. Yeah, those are up now. They still got the others up. Let me put this in a better position. There. There's where the band was playing, right there. And the flag is at half-staff to commemorate September 11th, which was yesterday. And while we're here, let's look at this. This was the original Leominster Library, this building here. And where the exit door starts, used to be a 3-story archive. They tore that down and they put a new addition on, which, if you saw the elevator video, was where that is. That's City Hall. And that's a quick look. You can see they're doing construction. They screwed up the handicapped access ramp, so they got to do it over. There's the porta potties. I don't want to use those. Wax Museum and Historical Society. Well, the museum is there. The Historical Society is in that building over there. 2nd floor, the Gallagher building. It's like another band is setting up. Guess it's time to head to the ground floor. Well, some aerial views of the dunk tank. See if the next person can dunk them. Hands cramping up, so might be a little shaky. Well, apparently no one's taking a chance at it yet, so that's the Johnny Appleseed Festival. Hope you enjoyed this.